Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I'm back here with another video, and I know it's been a while, about a month since my last video, and that's because recently I've actually moved, so I'm in a new house now. I'm gonna give a little bit of a tour of my house and then talk about some life updates and then plans for the channel. So here's my front door. One thing I like about this house, this new apartment, is that there's a lot of storage. Plenty of stuff for us to put our things in, and Minji and I don't have a lot of things because we're both foreigners, so we try to keep a lot of our stuff back in our home countries. Another nice thing I like about this place is the kitchen, so let's go over there. This is the kitchen. It's got a place up here for drying dishes, which is something you need because we don't have a dishwasher. So all of our dishes are hand washed. And then we have a stove with three burners on it. Yeah. Back here is a laundry room. Laundry's hanging out there drying. If you didn't know, most houses in Taiwan do not have a dryer. Most people just air dry. If I have an emergency, there's some laundromats nearby, so I can wash some clothes and dry them immediately if I need to. But typically things are air dried. Another nice thing I like about this place is I have an extra room for an office. Most of my work now is at home. Lately I've been teaching at a cram school too, but usually I'm only there a couple hours a day. Most of my other work is here at home. One thing I think that's kind of weird about the office is there's a window that just goes into the laundry room. I don't know what that's for. I guess just better circulation, but yeah, that's what it is right now. It's kind of echoey in here, so sorry about that if you hear the echo. Maybe I'll think about getting some rugs or something, but yeah, kind of echoey. More storage in here so we can put our luggage up here and any books or things that we're not using very frequently. And yeah, that's kind of the setup. I got a TV right here as a second monitor right now, and that's my computer. So yeah, that's kind of the setup there. Now to the living room. This is the living room. There's TV, record player, speakers, things like that there. We've got some records up there on the back. And yeah, we kind of just hang out here, watch TV, do those kinds of things. Minji has a table here. There's a lot of stuff on it, so I'm not gonna show everything, but that's kind of where she does her stuff. And we got a balcony. It's kind of bright, but hopefully the exposure comes down. That's the balcony. There are some plants there. We didn't plant those. When we moved in here, they just gave them to us. They left the plants here. So I think we got basil and some onion kind of plant. So maybe we'll take a crack at eating those or cooking with those. Speaking about cooking, I think with the new kitchen, having some kitchen space will be nice for cooking videos in the future. That'd be pretty cool. In here is the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Bed, nice window, more closet space. There's actually so much storage space here, I don't even know what to put in here. It's just there. So we also got a mirror here. But yeah, that's pretty much the house. There's some other cool things around the area that we're in. We're in Linkou now. If you haven't been to Linkou before, Linkou is to the west of Taipei City. It's kind of in between Taipei and Taoyuan. So you kind of have to cross Linkou when you ride the airport MRT to from the airport to Taipei main station. You'll actually go through Linkou. So that's the area that we're in. It's kind of far from Taipei, which is unfortunate, but Minji's work is here. My work is online mostly, and I can work at any cram school to pick up some extra work. But yeah, that's pretty much the situation we're dealing with right now. All right, so I'm back in the office now. This is probably going to be the setup for any sort of video that I have that has to do with talking. I'll probably be in this area here. Yeah, again, I'll try to do something about the echo. Hopefully you can't hear that too clearly because it is quite echoey in here. So life updates, yeah, we moved recently and I'm working at a cram school now and I'm doing a lot of freelance translating and we're kind of just getting used to adult life in Taiwan. Most of my time here, actually really up until these past few months, I've been a student in Taiwan. So this is my first time having no class schedule. It's my first time being out in the world. So we're just trying to kind of find our way. My goals right now are not too clear. We're kind of testing the waters in Taiwan right now. The job situation in Taiwan has been interesting to say the least. Maybe in the future I'll make some videos about the job market in Taiwan, what it's like to find a job in Taiwan. It's been kind of interesting. I'm not sure if it's the job market for me. We're still thinking about maybe going to Korea, testing out some other countries in East Asia, or who knows, maybe we'll just be in Taiwan for a few more years and we'll figure it out from there. So we're not in any rush to make a decision on any of this, but as of now, we'll be in Taiwan for at least a year, and then we'll kind of figure out how things are going to go from there. I really hope now that I have more free time, I'm not in school, I can spend more time to make more videos. I'm not too busy lately. I don't have class. I don't have to go to class as a student. I make my own hours as a teacher and just go to cram school every once in a while. So I think I should have more free time to put more work into YouTube and make some more videos. So hopefully you'll be around for that. I know this video has been kind of short, really just some life updates, a little bit of a tour, but yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or want to see any more videos about Taiwan in the future, just subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.